we've learned a lot over the past few years and realised that it's not just about the investment in technology. You've got to invest in the people, you've got to have the people on the front end of it as well, otherwise it's just data for data's sake and technology for technology's sake. You've got to have the people who are there really digging around the data, pulling it out, getting that insight from it and passing it to the rest of the team so that they can actually action on it. More data doesn't necessarily mean more insight, and we're still on that journey. We've created more and more data over the past sort of few years, but we're probably still really at the start in terms of actioning that and being able to make the most of that data.